Hello, traders. It's going to be a late post, but I want to go over the reversal pattern for today. Okay, so NQ opened. Let me put RTH. Regular trading hours only. That one's already on it. Okay, so it's a 1 minute chart for regular trading hours only. I'm not sure why that line is there. Let me get rid of it. Okay, so we opened with a gap up, and we came down, we filled the gap. Came down to settlement, and that was all we wanted. I've noticed this week ES is giving the cleaner signals. For NQ, I would want it to take this 4 hour. And so I was thinking we're going to push a little further down. But if I compare that to ES, same kind of a time frame, ES came down and took its 4 hour regular trading hour low. Get rid of these lines. And that was actually a 25% retrace of yesterday as well, that orange line. So it took the 4 hour low and a 25% retrace of yesterday. In Q, the 25% retrace of yesterday was just below this 4 hour low. Okay. So with ES, our last up close candle before the run down with NQ is here. And we don't get a fair value gap above it until this little one right here. So if we put an order to go long there, that would be at 25.50. This candle would have filled us. This candle would have scared us. We would have taken, let's see, what would that be? That's at 50. We would have taken 15 points worth of heat, but we would have been good. Aiming for those highs, we would have been just fine. And let's see what kind of point value we could get out of that right there. That'd be 41 points. Not bad. If you look at it over here on ES, we did take a 4 hour low. We did take the 25% retrace of yesterday, which if it only pulls back 25% of yesterday, that means we're still bullish. So you're good to go long. It did have a tiny little fair value gap right here. I can remove this for a minute so you can see it. Let's see if I can grab it. See, there it is. Small. It's small, granted. But when we pulled back, look where we pulled back to, right there. We went no further below. Candle bodies hella respected it. And there's also one right here that it filled with candle bodies. So still, if you were going to go long right there, you'd have been fine. You would have taken a little bit of heat here, but not much. For ES, it was 2.5 points. Not a big deal. And then, of course, you could aim for the most recent swing high here. That would have got you out there. Or you could aim for these highs or those highs. And all of them would have got you money. I think this one got taken by one tick. It just took a long time to get there. So the opportunity was there. It was just a high resistance day. I found it. If you didn't get in here, I found it very difficult to get in along this stuff. And so I didn't really trade it today. But, the opportunity was there. So there you go. Every day we see one of these reversal patterns, at least one. You may not get two every day, but you see at least one. So mark them out. Don't just watch the video. Mark them out on your chart. Mark out settlement every day. The way I do settlement is I do regular trading hours. This is at 3:15, that last candle. Mark all that out. Mark out your 4 hour regular trading hour highs and lows every day. And you'll see reversal patterns at those points. Those are really important levels. Settlement Pre-market high, pre-market low, 4-hour high, 4-hour low. Pre-market took this 4-hour high, and then we opened with a gap down and went down. My expectation was that we would go up today because we went up so aggressively for 24 hours. But we came and took this, and then we did start going up. And Asia is flirting with the all-time high right now. If we do extended, you can see it's right here, just trying to take it, but it dipped, it took out this low right here, and then has been going up ever since. Why it took out this one and not one of these, I don't know. On a bigger time frame, let's see, a 4-hour. That's where Asia dipped right there. Dipped to there, took out this one. That's a 4-hour. Let's see how it looks on the RTH. Well, that wouldn't even be showing on the RTH. Is this an RTH low? I think it is. Yeah, it is. So I didn't even mark these out. So it took an RTH low and then started going higher. That would be the afternoon low right here. Right there. So it dipped down, took that 4-hour low, and then started going up. And has been going up ever since. Right there. See? Took it just by a little bit. And then adios paya. So if you have those levels marked, you'll have that frame of reference. This is today's settlement. Dip down, took the afternoon low, adios paya. Talk to y'all tomorrow.